And welcome back to Potted Living, this show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables in pots on your balcony or other small spaces. So this is an update video on my heritage red raspberry bush. Before, when I showed you, it was kind of a jungle of little sprouts that have come up, and since then I have thinned it out to a few main canes. You'll be able to see down in there. And they are growing very nicely, beautiful green leaves. And as you can see, this is how I'm going to trellis it on the balcony. So if we zoom out here, you're gonna see I've put some sticks across. Most likely I'll have to put maybe one or two again in the middle. And what I'm gonna do is tie up the canes. You can see I've got one tied up here. And then I'm going to tie them across in the middle, and what that's going to do is provide a lot of structural support for the raspberry canes so that if it does get windy or if it gets a little bit hot and they get a bit droopy, they don't start to fall over. In previous years I had this against my balcony, and a lot of the canes actually started to fall over and some even broke. So this is going to give it much better exposure to the sunlight as well as give it a much healthier grow. So keep tuned for part 3 that'll be coming up, and I'll show you when it starts to get about halfway up this new trellis I've created.